Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if not, thanks for joining me again today. I'm Rebecca. Today you're going to clean with me, where we do a deep clean of our oven. So over the holiday season and throughout the year, we've been doing a lot of cooking and baking and roasting. I like to do a nice deep clean of the oven so we can start out fresh and clean for the new year. Over the past few weeks, I've been doing a lot of cleaning and decluttering and organizing. So now I've made it back to the kitchen where we can work on our oven together. Today I'll be using the Bissell SteamShot Deluxe. It's a really handy appliance, and I'll go over some of the features it has and attachments that come with this particular model. And what's nice about it is all you need is water to get a nice deep clean of whatever you're working on. So let's head to the kitchen so we can start cleaning our oven. So here I have the Bissell SteamShot Deluxe. It's a kind of a light sage green color, and it's a corded appliance with a really nice long cord. It comes with a measuring cup with the water, as I mentioned earlier. That's all you need to do for your cleaning. It heats it up under pressure and creates a nice steam for cleaning. Now I like the SteamShot Deluxe because it comes with a number of different accessories. So with this particular model, you get an extension hose, as well as a number of little accessory attachments. This is the accessory tip. You get 3 different colored brushes. You can keep one designated for the bathroom or kitchen or whatever you want to do. And there's a grout cleaning brush, a little scraper, and a pinpoint nozzle so you can get really precision cleaning. And it also has a little cotton elastic cloth that attaches to this wide nozzle. So you can put this on and you can steam fabric, or you can attach it to this little squeegee and you can clean windows and squeegee down, and it works really nicely. So you get all these different attachments and accessories with this particular model. If you don't think you need all that, you can also get a more basic model, which pretty much comes with this, and I believe just a couple of these smaller little attachments. I think it's getting the Deluxe simply for this little guy. So this will get into the really far reaches of the oven and help our cleaning project for today. So I have my cleaning gloves, I have some rags, and let's fill this up with some water. So to fill it, you just simply push down and turn counterclockwise, and it screws off. And then you pour it into the reservoir here. Then you push down again and turn clockwise to tighten it up. You have to make sure that it has a nice tight closure, otherwise that steam will leak out. There you go, nice and tight. Now for this extension, you just push this on. There's little tabs in here, and there's a groove on the top of your SteamShot. So you line up this tab. There's also an arrow on top, and it tells you to line up the arrow and then do a little quarter turn, and now it's locked, nice and secure. So on the tip of this extension, you can either use it as it is, or you can add the accessory nozzle here, and then the brushes and the squeegees and all those different attachments can go on the tip of here. So now we'll just plug this in and allow this to heat up. While it's heating, the light here will illuminate, and once it's pressurized and the steam is built up and it's ready to be used, the light will go out. And then you know that you can start steaming and cleaning whatever you want to start working on. Throughout the process of cleaning, you will see this light go on and off after the initial warm up, and that's just the machine cyclically heating up so it can keep maintaining that steamed pressurized water for you. Once you're out of water and you're no longer generating steam, then you need to unplug it and allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes. And then you press this lever down to release all the pressurized steam in it, and then you can refill it again and start over again with a freshly filled SteamShot. So let's get this plugged in and heat it up. We can head to the oven and get to cleaning. Alright, so our SteamShot Deluxe is all heated up. The light was on and it just clicked off, so now we know that it's ready to use. So what I'll do is I'll angle and point this tip towards where I want to clean, and then I'll pull this gray lever, and that releases the steam. So the first areas that I kind of want to focus on is around the outside of the oven. There's these areas where, grease and drippings have fallen down and then cooked on, and there's this really dark black stuck on debris that I'd love to get off. And the steam cleaner works really well for getting into there and cleaning that debris off. So let's get to cleaning. All right, here we have our oven all steam cleaned, and we are able to get it nice and sparkly clean again using our Bissell SteamShot Deluxe. I really like this extender hose. You can really get into the far corners of the oven and places like that for cleaning, and it works really nicely. So we are able to get the inner door nice and sparkly clean, and a lot of that caked on baked grease and those dark areas that are all on the bottom and sides as well as on our racks are all nice and clean and fresh and ready for another new year of baking and roasting and cooking in our oven. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together while we did some cleaning and we steam cleaned our oven today. It's a really rewarding and kind of addictive way to clean various parts of the house. You will find that you will be searching for other things you can steam clean, whether it be grout of the floor or backsplash or in your bathtub if you have a tile surround. This would work really nicely on your barbecue grill, in the grill racks. Maybe in the spring you could do a nice cleaning of that before the barbecue season, and your washing machine and dryer, refrigerator, you name it. You will just come up with places that you want to use this steam cleaner to clean your house. So just have fun with it, and if you haven't tried a small cleaning appliance like this, maybe you should give it a shot. Because I know I sure enjoy using ours, and even better yet, just simply refilling it with water, and that is the cleaning agent. So it's a really natural and safe way to clean your home. Well, if you'd like more inspiration on organization and cleaning and things around the house, you can check out my playlist on the topics. And if you're interested in recipes or food preservation or gardening, you can check out those topics as well. Well, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. And if you enjoy this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Well, I hope you're having a great day. See you next time. Take care.